Customers are unreliable. They don't come by when they're
What
supposed to.
What do you mean?
Here, where are you going? It's the shipping facility in Pomona.
Hopefully it's the clamps. I need clamps.
What does it sound like?
Clamps?
Sounds like clamps.
Sounds like dogs. Unboxing, unpackaging,
machine tools.
Machine tools.
These came from nowhere. There's no name
From
on
Machine Tools.
These are Brand X machine tools.
That's who it came from. Machine Tools.
So it's virgin China box, I can tell. Look what I found.
Clamps. Hey, oversized rocker arms.
What are these?
Rocker arms.
Clamps. These spindly ass nuts they give you.
Why'd they give you springs?
Spring loaded? There's no instruction sheet on how to do this.
Oh.
But I saw a picture on YouTube. What's that?
A clamp.
What's a clamp?
It's pretty damn. Oh.
Does it work?
Yeah, it works.
Clamp.
Yep. Cool. We're truing a crank today, guys.
Does this work?
Yep.
Does this rotate? It doesn't rotate though. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, it rotates.
That's a stiff ass rotation there. Oh, geez, that is hard to work. Goes right there.
You guys are getting a lot of content today, guys.
This fit in here? These do not fit in here. They fit in here though, I bet. They don't even fit in this table. Damn China stuff. China and Spanish don't mix.
Mine fits partially. Oh, the spring doesn't.
Is that to hold it?
Yeah, I think so.
Hold the spring up the other way?
Yeah, yeah, because I brought the spring up a little bit and mine went in.
Do we have to get the spring up?
Yeah.
That's a lot of work holding that spring up in here.
Well, I think you're supposed to put the T in before you put the spring on.
Okay, it works now.
All right, so.
But it still doesn't work on this one though.
No, it's too wide for this one.
You know why?
Why?
Because this has some weird ass size that nobody knows what it is. It's 550,000. What the hell is that? It's not metric, ain't American, or nothing.
It's a shave down size.
It means I got to cut these down a lot with a grinder to make it work.
Yeah, for this one. We don't need it for this one. We need it for this fixture.
Okay, that's going to go 4 inches.
We need some longer studs.
Where do I say they're full of crap?
We need longer studs.
There ain't no damn way that's going to go up 4 inches. That's not 4 inches. How is that going to clamp? With nothing back here, how's that going to hold? Yeah, they're so full of it.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
And that's bottomed out.
Right.
So that is the height of that to there. 2.5 inches.
Use a short side.
That's close to 4 inches.
Flip
of rise.
it and see what happens.
What, this way?
Yeah,
the lever's that way. You need the levers to hold down. We're not trying to hold the table down, we're trying to hold the part down. So you can never go by what they say on eBay. Now what I said, they said this was like 4 inches long. And see, it is like 4 inches long. 4 3/8, almost 4.5 to 2.
Yeah, but it ain't going 4 inches up.
Well, I couldn't see how I was going to do that anyway. I didn't believe it. When you buy stuff online, you got to just use your common sense.
Mm-hmm.
But it's all right because I don't need to go up 4 inches. I only need to go up 1.5 inches.
Right.
And I figured 1.5 inches, I'd probably be all right.
Mm-hmm. All right, so it's time to drill some holes.
Okay, we're going to have to make this. This is tight. Ah, oh, that is tight. Okay, that's about the rise I need. Yep. Okay, let's see what we got here. Keep trying to take that out. It doesn't come out. Okay, so we got that there.
That's gonna hang.
It doesn't quite work there. That's not exactly a precision arrangement.
No, you're gonna have to hold it from the back on that hump.
I can make that work though. Do some welding right here. Put a little extra Something to fish against. It'll work. For now, it just sits right on that corner. It'll hold.
Mm-hmm.
It'll slide easy though. It's not digging in. Because this here hooks around down the edge. You just put a hole right there and it should be good.
Take some of that metal over there. Cut a square out.
Yeah, we just gotta add some metal over here for it to hit against.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of welding. Put a big turd out to the end of it there.
Mm-hmm.
Be fine. Yeah, I don't have a problem with that really. But the thing is, these are Harley flywheels, and other people's stuff will vary.
Right.
Now, what I want to know is what's going to happen. Go like this. See?
What, it hits?
I can pull the wheel up and out.
Mm. That works perfect then.
So that dimension there, whatever that is fine.
Where's your marking device?
Appears to be about 1 inch off.
Where's your marking device?
1 inch seems to be the number.
Where's your marking device?
You know what 1 inch over here means? 1 inch that way is that far. We can actually be 900 off and work just fine. 900 would put more over there though. But
Oh, that's where we want it, right there.
well, that's on this wheel, but other wheels will vary. We can't guarantee that Harley's going to use the same shape on their wheels.
Well, I would tell you, you could slot it. You can cut a slot there.
You know, what I could do is I just put a big ass bead inside that damn thing. The welder right here. I don't have to worry about it. Pull that sucker all into where it's going to be the minimum clearance, which is right there.
I would say go grab that. Go grab that Evo crank and shove that Evo crank on here.
I have an Evo crank here.
Well, what crank? That twin cam crank that's sitting right there.
What twin cam crank?
This one is sitting right here. Dun 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 dun.
Where?
This one right here. This S&S crank.
It's an Evo crank.
I just said that.
Yeah, but that's not going to work in this application.
Why?
I hate this scale.
Why do you keep keeping it in your damn pocket then?
How are you supposed to read this thing? It's not made very good. I'm trying to figure out where 1 inch is at. It don't reflect very well. 5. I think it's 1 inch off center is where this needs to be at. It's got that much of a gap. I could probably pull in the 950, but it's just hard to see, you know. Can't see exactly where the table's at. Yeah, I think 950 is probably better. It could be at 900 and still work, but we gotta be able to get the flywheel in and out without fighting it.
Mm-hmm.
A little extra clearance there. It's gonna be hanging.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, wiggle waggle will get them in there. So I'm not sure how accurate this spring's gonna hold them up. Be like that, I guess. And that's basically 1 inch.
Yeah, so just do 1 inch.
Okay, what's 1 inch gonna do over on this side? Don't want to be too far to get off the flywheel either, so yeah, we're fine.
Yeah, should we do 1 inch?
Yeah, 1 inch is great. Is that an inch? I don't think that's an inch.
But short,
Inch is where?
way out there.
Can't tell where the inch is at. This scale is terrible. This thing's bad. This black one's not much better either. It is better. Let me see where 1 inch is at. Not user friendly. So this one can catch the edge here. What is that? 900?
8. 9 to the back of the bolt, but 8 to the middle of
It
it.
doesn't clear there.
It does.
No, it doesn't. Wheels over here. It's still good. Numbers way on here. What do we got? 900, 950?
Yeah.
Looks like 900. About 9?
Mm-hmm.
So 900 is our minimum number. We can come out to here, which is an inch, I bet.
Mm-hmm.
Is that an inch?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Getting closer and closer. The more we're coming off this edge here, the worse it gets for us. So, I don't know about 900, but at 900 we got less than 50 thou clearance to get the damn wheel in and out. At 950 we got 100 thou per side to pull in and out.
Mm-hmm.
Without hitting. So I'm thinking 950 is our number.
Works for me.
And we have to put it where it's going to be centered on this thing. So we're down in that area there. So where's our marking utensil?
There.
There. So if we come off this perpendicular off that surface there. Is that perpendicular on my earth? Right there, right? Pretty close.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, pretty close to there. And there might be a tangent line going across this, we have to see. Okay, I'm going to put a mark right here so I know where this part is. And we can see where we're at. Spot, can't see. Okay, so we come off our 900 that, we should be really, really close, or 950 I mean. That's right on the edge of that sucker right there, looks like. About in that area. So I'm thinking we're going to go right about there. And this one, about the same area.
Should be 9.
Our tool's still going to have plenty of room.
Mm-hmm.
Even with the nut on here, we're not going to hit this. We might hit the stud. We can shorten the stud up a little bit. So the stud will be in the way. Just to go to a shorter stud. We'll cut off a little bit. Shorten it as needed. Or put a shorter one in there. Some will go in there. There. Thin that up a little bit. Alright. Marking that one already.
What do you want to do? Spin the table?
Nope.
Why?
Shouldn't have to spin a table.
So you can mark the other side?
With the one I can't see?
Mm-hmm. Makes sense. Spin the table,
I
right?
see it a little better now.
Spin the table?
No. Let's go right over here. Right there, 900. Right in the middle of 9, between 9 and 10 is 950, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, tangent line is something about in this area here, I'm thinking, but somewhere in that area. Give or take a little. These are not exact numbers. I'll lift this up, I'll see if I got a, there should be a line going across that might line up, hopefully. And if we're centered up, it should be pretty close. Should look close.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that. The lines are pretty close to me. I don't know why I didn't put a line in that other direction on that one, but off a little bit. Well, that's not direct because we're not on center here.
Mm-hmm.
We're up. That's why they're not quite lining up. You have to come up with the difference in offset between them, but that still doesn't line up. How about this one? Well, we are coming off this corner for a mock-up though, so
Mm-hmm.
you just agree with everything I say.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
You have the knowledge.
It's just a matter where we're going to put it. See right there, I think is about the line it should be on. This is a little bit off. I'm pretty sure it doesn't make that big of a difference. About 1.5 inches up. We're not quite 1.5 inches up. This one over here is about 1 inch down. That one's a little over 1 inch down.
That's fine.
Figure out the number we want to use. What I didn't do is go that other direction. As I recall, this is 1 inch wide. So we know that's our circle right there. Right there. We're coming off our tangent line pretty accurately. This one here looks like it's off a little. Alright, we'll be back.